Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to hide Android device name from Wi-Fi networks. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open settings. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for network and internet and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the network and internet interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for internet or Wi-Fi and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see all the available Wi-Fi networks over here. What you have to do is simply find the network that you're connected to right now. Right next to it, you'll be able to find the gear icon. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the network details interface. You'll be able to find the options like signal strength, frequency, security, etc. What you have to do is simply find the option for privacy and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find two options. Use randomized MAC, use device MAC. If you want to hide your device MAC, what you have to do is select the option use randomized MAC. Likewise, in the privacy option, you'll also be able to find the option for send device name. In some Android devices, that option will not be there. But if you find the option for send device name, what you have to do is simply toggle off that button right next to that option. After that, your device name will not be sent and it will be hidden. So that is how you hide Android device name from Wi-Fi networks. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.